Namaskar and hello everyone. I am Dr. Vikram Agarwal. I am a cardiac anesthesiologist and I head medical operations and medical services for Pristine Care. All of us know that we are almost 5 months through COVID now, and government has now started 4.0 since September 1st. We have started a number of facilities which were earlier closed for us. It will be a big relief for the general public in Delhi when metro services get opened. Of course, there will be a lot of limitations. We have to follow all the precautions. The number of people who will be allowed in social gatherings will definitely increase from 50 to 100. And even for schools, what we are seeing now is that the senior students who are there in class 9th to 12th will be able to go to their schools and interact with their teachers. So what does this mean for all of us? A normal citizen, a common man. Are the cases which are affected by COVID going to increase? I would say maybe yes, maybe no. But what is more important for us? Important for us is that we follow all the precautions that were suggested by the government and by the medical fraternity since beginning, which is we should wear our mask at all times. We should regularly clean our hands and maintain optimal hygienic standards when we are going out of home or when we are entering our home. We should also maintain good 6 feet distance from our colleagues in the offices and adopt social distancing to the maximum possible. So one more thing which I wanted to discuss during this lockdown and which has actually impacted a lot of our patients is they were unable to go for their regular follow-ups and for their regular diseases to the hospitals, and they were not even able to meet their doctors. Many of them are suffering from certain illnesses such as gallstones, they have renal stones, they also have some bleeding disorders. Many children who needed vaccinations are still at home. Number of deliveries which are taking place at home has increased compared to the institutional deliveries which used to take place earlier. My request to all of you is kindly take stock of your health situation. Do visit hospitals, do visit doctors. Ensure that if needed, you have done your COVID test, you are negative. You go to such places where proper precautions are taken against COVID, where proper social distancing is being done and patients are properly segregated. We at Pristine Care promise you that we are adopting and following all the guidelines which have been issued by ICMR, by the government agencies for our patients. We ensure that all our patients are treated as per the required protocols and standard operating procedures, whether they are suffering from COVID or they are not suffering from COVID. There is no mixing of patients who have COVID from the patients who do not have COVID. So my request to you is, please take care of your health. Let us partner with you to take you to your health journey to the ultimate level of fitness. So, a lot of times, so many parents are asking these questions. Actually, not even parents. Everyone is asking this question: what sort of diet should they take? What they should do to enhance or improve their immunity system? So, my common request to all would be: please eat healthy. Try not to eat too much of oily food, too much of junk food. Include antioxidants in your diet, which may be vitamin C in the form of natural products like lemon, like amla, gooseberry, right? You may even have some vitamin C tablets, and also try to exercise a bit. And this exercise may be done in your home itself, or you may just go around in a park nearby when you're following all the precautions for social distancing, which includes your mask, your proper hygiene, hand cleaning whenever you are going out or coming inside the home. I believe if you adopt all these methods, you will not only increase your chances of avoiding COVID, but also your immunity will be boosted against COVID. Pristine Care is a healthcare organization which specializes in laser and laparoscopic treatment. We are present in 17 plus cities pan-India. So wherever you'll go, you'll find our footprint. We have almost 80 plus clinics in these 17 cities. And we are proud to say that we have more than 100 surgeons, more than 100 doctors in other specialties who are associated with us. Till now, till date, almost 300 plus hospitals have associated with us, and this number is increasing on a day-to-day basis. We cater to a number of specialties including proctology, urology, aesthetics, gynecology, ENT and orthopedics. We are also planning to expand our footprint in ophthalmology and many such daycare surgery and other units, including obstetrics and childbirth. Till date, we have taken care of almost 50,000 plus patients in the last few years. What we promise is exceptional patient service, whether it is clinical or whether it is non-clinical. For us, the motto of our company is patient first. Kindly refer to us, come to us for any of your healthcare needs. We would like to partner with you towards your fitness and your journey to being healthy. Please stay healthy, exercise, have a good diet, consult your doctor, come to us to help you. It will be good for you. Thank you so much.